In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get the Minecraft Optifine zoom in Minecraft 1.19. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you can see, I'm able to zoom in using Optifine, and all you have to do to get this feature in Minecraft 1.19 is open up a web browser and go to the official Optifine website at www.optifine.net/downloads. In here, pick whichever version of Minecraft 1.19 you want to download Optifine for, and once you click download and go through with the download, you will acquire this .jar file. After downloading Optifine, you will have this .jar file for the version you've selected, and all you have to do is double click on it to open, and then the Optifine installer will open. In here, just select install. I'm not going to do it because I already have it installed, but after you click install, you are going to have a new installation once you open up the Minecraft Java launcher. In there, just select Optifine from the installations and launch the proper Minecraft Optifine installation. Once you go back in-game with the installation properly selected, you can zoom in by pressing C on your keyboard. C is the default keybind, but if you want to change the Optifine zoom keybind, just press Escape, go into the options, Controls, Keybinds, and scroll all the way down until you see Zoom. Just press the new key that you want to assign the zoom to, and now whenever you press that key, you will have the Optifine zoom. I hope I was able to help you on how to get the Optifine zoom in Minecraft 1.19. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.